How to deactivate Instagram account. So, the very first step is to open your Instagram app and then go to your profile found on the lower right corner of the screen. Once you're here, you just simply click on the three lines found on the upper right corner, click on Settings and Privacy, click on Account Center, and then click on Personal Details right here. Once you have done that, click on Account Ownership and Control, click on Deactivation or Deletion, and choose your Instagram account. Once you have done that, click on Deactivate Account instead of clicking on the Deleting Your Account Permanently. Click Continue and then type in your password right here. So if you don't have this option, what I would suggest is to open your browser such as Safari or your Chrome and then sign in your Instagram account on Instagram.com. Basically, you just simply do the same steps. Go to your profile, click on Settings found on the upper left corner, click on See More in Account Center, and wait for it to load. Click on Personal Details, Account Ownership and Control, Deactivation or Deletion, choose your Instagram account, click on Continue, and type in your password. So that's it. That's how you can deactivate Instagram account.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.